a law. You can't, because you just graduated the academy. You don't know nothing.
Sure.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In May of 2022, a viewer that goes by the name Troopa Evans was walking through the downtown area of Detroit. She carried a black Taurus G2C 9mm pistol tucked into her pants, with the grip of the firearm exposed. Open carry is a lawful activity in Michigan and does not require a license. The state defines it as the practice of carrying a firearm in public, where it is visible to others. Officers Lakia Gray and Tyus Monroe noticed the firearm and initiated contact, but failed to activate body cams until nearly 30 seconds into the encounter. The footage begins as the officer asks if the weapon is in a holster, and Troopa Evans responding appropriately with, "I don't answer questions."
I answer questions.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Of course it's fine.
Oh, God.
Well, let's call time, shall we?
Yes. So cute, the babies.
You got a lockup or you just need a...
It just came out the academy, I can tell.
The officers appear to be fairly new and showed no signs of alarm, one of which even turned their back to Troopa Evans as they called for a supervisor. And about 3.5 minutes after stopping the couple, Officer Gray approaches to take the pistol.
How long we gotta wait here? Like, what is taking so
They
long?
have so many, all this stuff going on downtown.
Take it. All right, ma'am, I need you to stand up for me.
Stand down.
Ma'am, I need you to stand up for me.
Transport.
Sir, I need you to stand up for me. I'm going to remove your firearm.
Take that weapon.
We're taking you to jail.
We have to take the
I
weapon.
do not consent.
Okay.
That's fine.
No, you can say it's fine all you want.
All right.
I do not consent. And
That's
you are-
fine.
So right now you are stealing property.
So you're injured, okay?
You're stolen property
So
right now.
you're injured, ma'am. So what we are going to do, we're going to place the handcuffs in front of you because you
There's no handcuffs. I haven't broken any law. If I broke a law, state it.
You're carrying a concealed weapon with no
State the penal
CPL.
code.
You are carrying.
We don't need
out-
State the Michigan Penal Code.
Thank you.
State the Michigan Penal Code. You're violating the right. Well,
Okay.
another lawsuit for
What is your
DPD.
badge number?
Okay. 813 T Monroe, 810 L Gray. Mother. Ain't this a
All right, ma'am.
arresting me
Wanna
for
ask
what?
if
Are you? Is this your car that you're going to
Arresting me for
Thank you. All right.
arresting me for open carrying?
That's not
Don't
open
touch
carry.
my phone.
So
That's open
you are
carry.
under.
It's my property.
You are
Ma'am,
under
you're
arrest.
under
That's my property.
cannot
Do
have-
not
Okay.
state the penal code for what law that I broke.
Let's go, ma'am.
State it.
You're carrying a concealed weapon.
State it.
Okay, ma'am.
With no
Penal code.
CPL.
Where's it found?
We're not going
Okay,
to talk
that's
about it.
No,
This is
where's
your
it found?
All right.
Where's it found? Are you right now? State the Michigan Penal Code where I have broken a law.
We're going to put it on.
You can't, because you just graduated the academy. You don't know
Let's go,
nothing.
ma'am.
Sure.
Of course you don't.
Sure.
Really?
We're taking this, ma'am.
Don't take my
Ma'am.
phone. Don't take my phone.
Yes, ma'am. You're
Don't
not
take
having
my
this with
phone.
you.
Do not take my phone.
Yes. Can I have
Back up.
Give,
Ma'am,
Let her have my phone. Let her have my
just
phone.
give her the phone then.
Let her have my phone. You don't have to. Let her have my
Give her
phone.
the phone, man.
Let her have my phone.
Just give her the phone.
It's my property.
Okay, and it's not you.
Search it real quick.
You got such a lawsuit.
Search
That's
it real
fine.
I
quick.
do not consent to a
Ma'am,
search.
That's
Okay.
fine. Turn around.
I do not consent to a
That's
search.
fine.
You don't have to worry about that. You're under arrest.
You can say that all you want.
Where are y'all going?
You don't consent to a
Going
search.
to DDC on the mound. Why the fuck? Oh, mom.
There is no law being broken.
Okay.
State the Michigan Penal Code that I have broken.
Right now.
Arresting me for
All right, ma'am,
nothing.
go ahead.
Lawsuit, dumbass.
Okay. What's the address on the
Dumbass.
mound?
Walking, minding my business. You haven't even told me what code. What's the Michigan Penal Code that I have broken?
Ma'am.
There's no law about open
Ma'am, I
carry.
need you to back up.
There's no law.
No, you're not.
She ain't got to.
Yes, she do.
State it.
Yes, she do.
State the law. Y'all ain't the only ones that can have firearms.
You're not.
No
Yeah, when you carry them correctly, it's fine.
whatever.
That's the problem.
Whatever. I said state the code.
Okay.
You can't. Y'all don't know the Michigan Penal Code.
Don't call me, ma'am. Call me Candace. We're done. Let's go.
All right. Here you go.
You can't tell me where the fuck you're going. Wow. A DDC mound. Okay, and what is the address? Detroit Detention Center, ma'am. Google it.
Minding my damn business.
Yes.
In nearly all jurisdictions where open carry is lawful, the mere possession of an openly carried handgun is not prohibited, and in order to support an enforcement action, an officer must be able to articulate malicious intent or circumstances that reasonably cause alarm to the public. There are several ways to openly carry a pistol: the outer waistband, a shoulder holster, chest rigs, and drop legs. Or if you have an AR pistol or an AK variant, you can sling the weapon with no holster at all. There are also inner waistband holsters meant for open carry that only show the grip of the pistol, similar to the way Trooper Evans was carrying hers. And according to the Court of Appeals in People v. Reynolds, a weapon is concealed if it is not observed by those casually observing the suspect as people do in the ordinary course and usual associations of life, which by the admissions of the officers should have had the charges dismissed, as in their incident report it states that Officer Monroe, while walking, observed the butt of a weapon concealed inside of Evans' left side waistband. However, the very nature of observing a weapon means that it wasn't concealed. But despite the glaring inconsistencies in their reasoning, Trooper Evans was transported to jail.
Y'all don't know a damn thing. I got an associate's degree in criminal justice. How's that? Y'all don't know nothing. Young as hell don't know shit.
Man, no foreign route.
That's alright. Y'all about to get a lawsuit like a motherfucker. Y'all have no idea. There is no law
This is Rick Tower.
about open carry.
You want phobia and whatnot?
No law. It doesn't even say so. There's no law.
This is 14, phobia and whatnot.
During the transport, Officer Gray donned gloves to unload the weapon, flagging her partner as she manipulated it, and for some reason, she disengaged the safety before clearing the chamber.
There's no Rick
She
Tower.
don't got one in the head. She don't got one in the head. I'll just make it.
Trooper Evans eventually retained a lawyer as she was charged with weapons carrying concealed, but she alleges that the lawyer would not meet up with her and that he appeared to only do the minimum, convincing her to take a plea deal for 1 year of probation, as a felony conviction is ruinous and fighting it would be a gamble. She still intends to file a lawsuit for unlawful search and seizure, but a win in civil court would be difficult with a standing plea deal. If you carry, it's worthwhile to look into an unconstitutional concealed carry permit. If you have a permit, you can still open carry, though I don't recommend it. However, if your shirt or jacket accidentally covers your pistol, or you end up in a situation like this, you're still covered by the unconstitutional permit to carry it. Let me know what your EDC is in the comments down below, and what you think of this interaction. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.